Thanks, Susan RDB. How can I help you? Can I call you back in like 5 minutes? I'm getting some water and juice and stuff like that for the guys. Give you a call right back. I'm at the liquor store. Thank you. Bye. Okay. 4. So one of Sarkis' favorites is not here. He likes the soft chocolate chip cookies. They're not here right now. The milk chocolate, but we're gonna get him this. Sarkis loves these.
I got the coming soon, so the Tesla Model Y. But how much do you charge for that?
What color?
White.
White? The whole car? I'll give you a price. I'll let you know what I can do for you. Okay. We usually charge 5,000. Huh? Usually charge 5,000.
5,000
for the whole car.
For wrapping?
Yes.
Why so expensive?
It's cheap. I'm gonna charge you. We're gonna charge you 5,000 because you're giving us free stuff. He's not gonna give us anything free. He's not even giving us a blow pop for free.
Let me know exactly price.
Sure, I'll let you know exact price. We'll give you a good price. If you give me 10 minutes, come here with Sarkis and take whatever we want. 10 minutes time.
I have to hold it for 30 seconds. Sarkis, why are you doing this? For the fans?
Yeah, because I promised them, so I'm man of my word.
I could feel his chewing in my hands.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Dark chocolate's good, huh? You like dark chocolate more than milk chocolate?
No, milk chocolate better.
Yeah? Milk chocolate better.
I got your blow pops too. It's in your drawer.
Voila!
Is it?
Yeah, this is straight. Also, it's really bad.
It's nice. Too bad there's no customers. You have to leave it on until we leave.
Yeah.
That was the...
Hey, we leave 3 o'clock? Moses told me we leave 3 o'clock.
Moses is not the owner of the shop.
Is Moses your boss?
Bro, you guys told him.
Hey, who pays you?
No one?
Okay then. We do.
Alright guys, so we said in 2020 we're gonna be starting on my BMW M3. You guys were always asking us to work on it. Obviously it was on the back burner, and obviously now we have this whole COVID-19 thing going on. We're still rather busy at work doing a lot of stuff, but now's the time to kind of work on this guy. So we moved it a little bit forward. It's not starting, it's not cranking, which was the main problem we were having. This car is very complicated as it has pretty much a standalone computer, but it's also sort of like a piggyback, because back in the day, 2008, whatever, there was not a lot of things in the market for this vehicle. This was like a innovative BMW M3 at the time for power. We have a lot of different ignition modules, ignition controllers by AEM, all that stuff. Something went wrong and is not allowing the car to crank. So since it was all custom done, there's so many wires, and nobody remembers the vehicle like that, so it's very hard to figure it all out. It's just gonna take some time, and hopefully we'll get this thing started. A lot of the carbon fiber is cracked. I gotta replace some of that stuff. The bumper's hanging. A lot of stuff is going on from the car just sitting there. Tires, obviously all the fluids. We just got spark plugs in, we gotta change it. A lot of things. So we're gonna be working on it. We're gonna try to get this thing started. We're gonna try to make this whole project car for you guys. I'm getting sort of excited now, to be honest. I didn't care much about it for a long time, but now I'm getting a little bit more excited. And we're gonna get this thing started for you guys.
There's a lot of power on this car.
Okay, so what?
So it makes it unnormal.
Oh, so you didn't drive a Ferrari?
This is faster than a Ferrari.
How is it faster? Because it has more horsepower? Horsepower doesn't mean it's faster.
I think it's faster. This will smoke a Ferrari, bro.
Never.
Trust me.
Never, bro. Because the torque, everything it depends on the torque, not the horsepower. They have 2,000 horsepower, but torque, that's what's
This will be the Ferrari.
Thank you.
Got it up?
Yeah. We have to send this, correct?
Yes.
Okay. We need your car so we can take it to the post office. Why?
No,
They would
take your own
start-
car. You have a nice car. Take it.
Your car is nicer.
My car's too fast for you. You've never driven a car that fast before.
Yeah, I did.
No.
It was Honda Civic. It was like fast. It was a thing. But I was not a driver. I was sitting next to. We need to cool out f***ing things like a fire extinguisher. Yeah, no, yeah.
Nitrous?
Yeah,
But
nitrous.
you still need something else. It can't just be
I don't know.
nitrous.
So we cannot borrow your car to go to the
No,
post
you
office?
cannot. Use your own car.
What
You don't
about-
have to go. You just have to tape this. It's a little awkward shape, but it'll work.
Yeah, but with Day and Sarkis, can we just have your car?
No. Why do you need my car?
So it will be Day with Sarkis.
What does that have to do with my car?
That's I can choose whatever I want to choose.
No.
Can you choose a Royce?
No. That has nothing to do with your day of your life.
Yeah,
That's the day of my life, not your life.
Okay, your car's gonna sit there and it's gonna be rusted. When I drive it,
I drive my car every day. What are you talking about? We have the fender flare from Chris Brown's Lamborghini SV project that we did the giveaway. 2 guys won them. One is in this box. One is right here. So we're trying to see how we're gonna fit it. It is a very awkward shape, so a little tough to ship. We're gonna figure that out and get it out. And then also remember, whoever you 2 guys that you get this is very sharp, okay? We have no liability in you cutting yourself with the metal fender flares. So do what you want, but don't hurt yourself.
You wanna put the second one together or no?
It's different people.
All different people.
Okay.
That's it?
Yeah.
You guys-
Did you put that black piece in it? Moron. Why did you put that in there?
That's one piece.
Oh. Alright, here's the signature. Takes the whole box.
All right, so I remembered why I stopped trying. We've been inside this engine bay for a few hours now. I'm checking out the fuel ignition controller from AEM. This is where the stock ECU goes. So all these wires you see are coming out of the stock ECU and they're going into the AEM controller. So this was all custom done. They figured out each wire does what and had to find it in the ECU and then connect it to each other. So a lot of wires. It's not the best job in the world, so it's a little tricky to figure out what's going on. We also realized my instrument cluster is not turning on at all. Nothing is showing on it. It's not moving the needles. It used to do that, so I don't know why that's not working. We're checking that out too. Doesn't help the situation of the car not starting. Car's super filthy. It's annoying. I called the detail guy to clean it even before the car is gonna start. It's gonna get cleaned up. Sarkis, if you make my car start, I'll give you $1,000. This car not moving is still faster than your car.
Yeah, but if you fix it, I'm gonna drive it.
You can't drive stick shift.
Of course I can. $2,000.
You're supposed to figure out the problem, not just turn the key.
You told me start the car, $1,000. I'm gonna start this car. $1,000. Oh.
What are you doing?
Oh. Just doing live with you?
You're supposed to be working, not sitting in my car.
Yeah, that's working. I'm trying to start your car. See, I'm waiting for the mechanic to tell me to start the car. Yeah, I'm gonna get $1,000. If I start the Vik's car, I'm going to get $1,000 from Vic.
Start working, not playing.
Yeah, I'm gonna get $1,000.
Hi, Sarkis.
What's up, Moses?
Where are you?
I'm in the car enjoying the startup for $1,000.
Car hasn't started yet.
Yeah, if I do, I'm gonna get $1,000.
Yeah.
So I'm just waiting for it.
Okay.
Why aren't you wearing a mask? I told you you have to wear a mask.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We're gonna take Vic's car and do a joyride. So now we got Vic's car and we're gonna enjoy it. Yeah, this car is nice. I think with them it's just the wheels. It's gonna get this. We're gonna go get ice cream, do a joyride on it. Our second location, RDB. That is fun. Get a paycheck, get ice cream, and just enjoy the boss's car. Let's do came to the park, far from work. Just park it right here. So I stole my boss's car and we're in trouble. Just see what's on Instagram. You guys can follow me on Instagram. It's Sarkis RDBLA.
In the office.